Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of sublimation printers and mug heat presses. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a small business owner, or just someone looking to create custom mugs for gifts, this video is for you. We're counting down the top 5 sublimation printers for mugs available on the market right now. I spent hours researching and testing these products, and I've ranked them based on features, performance, price, durability, and what real users are saying. If you want more details or updated pricing, check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. All right, let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Hypoo Sublimation Ink Refilled Bottles. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those looking to dip their toes into sublimation printing without breaking the bank. With a price of just $26.99, it offers vibrant, long-lasting colors that stand out beautifully on mugs, key-shirts, and more. The ink is compatible with a wide range of Epson EcoTank printers, making it a versatile choice for DIY projects. The ink is water-based, which ensures smooth printing without clogging your printer heads. Plus, it's ISO 9001 certified for quality and safety, giving you peace of mind. While it's not a standalone printer or press, it's an essential accessory for anyone already owning a compatible inkjet printer. This makes it ideal for hobbyists or those just starting out in sublimation printing. On the downside, it's limited to fabrics with less than 30% cotton content, and you'll need to pair it with a heat press machine for mug customization. But overall, it's an excellent budget pick that delivers vibrant colors and reliable performance at an unbeatable price. At number 4, we have the HTV Auto Tumbler Heat Press Machine. This sleek and modern heat press is designed for maximum efficiency and safety, making it a great choice for professionals and serious DIYers. Priced at $139.99, it offers automatic pressure adjustment based on tumbler size, eliminating the guesswork and ensuring consistent results. One of its standout features is the auto-off and emergency stop function, which provides added safety during use. It heats up quickly and evenly, reaching temperatures as high as 390 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for sublimation printing. Its extended heat plate accommodates a wide range of drinkware, including tumblers, mugs, and glasses, making it a versatile option for various projects. However, the machine is slightly bulkier than some competitors, and its price may be on the higher end for casual users. But if you're looking for a reliable and efficient heat press that prioritizes safety and performance, the HTV Auto Tumbler Heat Press Machine is a solid investment. Coming in at number 3 is the akdiy Tumblers Heat Press Machine. With a price tag of $149.99, this machine combines versatility and precision, making it a top choice for both beginners and experienced users. Its long heating attachment accommodates mugs and tumblers ranging from 11 to 30 ounces, giving you plenty of options for customization. The machine features a non-slip handle and foot pads for added safety, alongside an automatic timer that starts when you pull down the handle. This ensures consistent results every time. It also includes a built-in fuse for additional protection, making it safer to operate. The LCD screen and easy-to-use buttons make setting temperatures and timers a breeze. While it's slightly heavier than other models, its sturdy build and reliable performance make it worth the investment. If you're looking for a heat press that offers flexibility and precise control, the akdiy Tumblers Heat Press Machine is definitely worth considering. Taking the number 2 spot is the Cricut Mug Press plus 4 blank mugs bundle. With its sleek design and user-friendly features, this is a fantastic option for beginners and Cricut enthusiasts alike. Priced at $149, the package includes the mug press and 4 blank ceramic mugs, allowing you to get started right out of the box. One of its standout features is the one-touch setting that ensures consistent results every time. The patent-pending heat plate uses zone heating to create vibrant, peel-proof designs that are dishwasher safe. It's also a perfect companion to other Cricut products, offering seamless integration and a worry-free experience thanks to its auto-off safety feature. On the downside, it's designed primarily for 11 to 16 ounce mugs, so it may lack versatility for larger or smaller drinkware. Additionally, it doesn't include sublimation paper or heat tape, which you'll need to purchase separately. But if you're looking for a hassle-free solution to customize mugs, the Cricut Mug Press is hard to beat. And finally, at the top of our list, the #1 pick is the Samson Tumbler Heat Press Machine. This premium option is priced at $159.99 and offers unbeatable performance and value for anyone serious about sublimation printing. The machine is designed to handle straight mugs and tumblers ranging from 11 to 30 ounces, making it incredibly versatile for various projects. The upgraded control panel features 4 preset modes, allowing you to save frequently used settings for efficiency. It heats up impressively fast, reaching temperatures up to 482 Fahrenheit, and includes a timer that can be set for up to 999 seconds. The package comes with everything you need to get started, including sublimation paper, heat-resistant gloves, and sublimation tape. Its durable alloy steel construction ensures longevity, while its beginner-friendly design makes it accessible to users of all skill levels. The only downside is its higher price point, but given the features, accessories, and performance, it's well worth the investment. If you're looking for the ultimate sublimation heat press for mugs, the Samson Tumbler Heat Press Machine is your best bet. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right sublimation printer for mugs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products or want to share your experience, drop a comment below. I'll be sure to get back to you. See you in the next video.